In this video, I will show you how you can fix photos missing in messages after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Now to do this, first of all, just open the Messages app, then open any contact in which you're missing the photos. After you do that, then just tap on the profile photo of the selected contact. Now at the top of the screen, if you swipe to the left side, you will find the option for photos. Now just tap on photos and you will find all the photos which have been shared with you by the selected contact. But let's say if you cannot find the photos option over here. So for that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on your Apple ID, then tap on iCloud. From here, just tap on Save to iCloud. Now first of all, just tap on iCloud Photos. And if this toggle is disabled, just turn it on. And after you do that, then just tap on Sync Now and select Resume Syncing. And after you do that, you will sync all the photos from your iPhone to your iCloud. After you do that, then just go back, and from here, just tap on Messages. And with the same way, if use on this iPhone is disabled, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, then just tap on Sync Now. And after you do that, then just wait until the syncing process has been completed. Now this might take from a few hours to a few days, depending on the amount of data which you're syncing. Just keep checking regularly for the syncing not to stop. And once the syncing process is completed, you will find the missing photos back in your Messages app. But let's say if you have done that and if this did not work, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just go to the main settings page and tap on General. Tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Then after you do that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix photos missing in messages after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.